And here's the row of sunflowers you had last year.
Yeah. Yeah, we had almost a whole bed of sunflowers, but like I said, we're planting new things in each bed, and so this spring it's going to be our peas and our early carrots.
Okay.
So peas like to be in pretty soon,
Yeah.
and so I need to prep this bed, and the sunflowers are still here, but it's easier to rip them out in the spring. They're after the root systems have died back.
So it's a lot easier to take them out now than it was last fall.
Exactly. Plus I like to leave whatever is there as a seed for the birds over the winter.
Do you notice a lot of birds?
Oh yeah, in the fall the finches go crazy here.
I bet.
Yeah.
So cool. So you just grab them and
Yep, shake off the dirt.
easy enough.
Yeah.
So what do you do with all of the stalks once you pull them?
Right. So I like to keep as much as I can for the garden for nutrients. But so what I do is I just take these bits down here with the mud on them. I clip those and I put those into one of the city waste bags for the greens collection. But then the stalks I run through our little chipper that we have, and then the mulch for that ends up as mulch for the surrounding ornamental beds in the garden.
Smart.
Yeah.